Dear Diary, I've always been interested in how things work and how they're built, in particular how we're formed from a single cell. This simple idea of how things are built and work drove me to study developmental biology in the hope that I could make a small contribution to the knowledge of how cells are specified and how this leads to the development of the embryo. I left school with grades that didn't fulfill my potential, and after 2 more years at college, I found myself working full-time at a local supermarket. Not quite what I had imagined, so I decided that I should keep working but begin a degree in psychology with the Open University, so that I could earn whilst I learnt. Following 3.5 years of hard work, I graduated with an upper second class honours degree and had saved enough to be able to study for a master's in neuroscience at University College London. I completed my MSc, coming in the top 8 in my class, and I knew that I wanted to study for a PhD in developmental biology, particularly in understanding how embryonic structures are created and formed throughout development. However, the road to a PhD place wasn't easy. I applied to more than 20 individual studentships and PhD scholarship schemes, being turned down by all of them. Whilst applying, I was working as a volunteer in a lab at King's and as a delivery driver for Sainsbury's. Through my work as a volunteer at King's, I became aware of a PhD scholarship in the Department of Craniofacial and Stem Cell Biology. Following an interview process and consideration by the department, I was awarded the Dianna Trebble Scholarship. Back in 1953, Dianna Trebble graduated from King's as a licentiate in dental surgery, one of very few female students at the time. She took over her family's dental practice in Ealing and then moved to Minehead in Somerset. Dianna Trebble died in 2009, but her legacy to dentistry lives on through the generous gift she left to King's, funding for the Dianna Trebble PhD Scholarship. This allows a postgraduate student to undertake cutting-edge research in any science covered in the Dental Institute. The scholarship fully funded my PhD in developmental biology for 4 years. Studying and working at King's has been a great experience. I'm exposed to cutting-edge research and a diverse community that helped bring out the best in me and my work. Without the scholarship, I would never have been able to study and gain my PhD. The award has had a large impact on my career. I continue to work for King's as a postdoctoral researcher, studying how cells of the nervous system are specified in the early embryo. It's important for alumni to support the university, as without the award that I was given, I would never have been able to achieve my PhD. Donations from alumni also help the university offer scholarships to a wider range of applicants, leading to more people being able to further their studies and have the opportunity to fulfill their potential. Allowing this to happen can only improve King's reputation as a world-class university and help some of the brightest minds flourish and achieve their potential.